In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add CA to MetaMask.
First,
Open MetaMask and unlock your wallet. You will see the familiar interface that greets you with your account balance and recent transactions. If you have not logged in for a while, you may need to enter your password or use your biometric authentication. This step is crucial because it secures your wallet. It's the gateway to accessing all your tokens and transactions, ensuring that only you have control over your assets. Once you are logged in, you are ready to proceed to the next step. Next, switch to the correct blockchain network. This could be Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, or Base, depending on the token you want to add. You can find the network selection option at the top of the MetaMask interface. This step is essential because each network operates independently with different tokens. Choosing the wrong network means you won't be able to see the token you want to add, so make sure to select the correct one. Once done, you are one step closer to adding your token. Now go to the Tokens tab. You can find this by tapping or clicking on the Assets section of your wallet. This is where all your tokens are displayed. It gives you a quick overview of your holdings and their values. At this point, you are preparing to import a new token into your wallet, which will enhance your portfolio. This step is straightforward and sets the stage for the import process. From there, select Import Tokens or Add Token. This option is usually located at the bottom of the Tokens tab. When you click on it, you will be presented with various options to add a new token to your wallet. This action is important because it allows you to expand your collection of tokens beyond what is automatically listed. After clicking it, you'll be directed to the next screen where you can choose how to add your token. Next up, choose Custom Token. This option allows you to manually enter the details of the token you want to add. The custom token feature is critical because not all tokens are automatically recognized by MetaMask. By selecting this option, you take control of the process, ensuring you are adding the correct token. It may seem like a small step, but it plays a significant role in managing your wallet effectively. After that, paste the token's contract address, or CA, into the designated field. You should have copied this address from a reliable source, such as the token's official website or a trusted block explorer. This step is crucial as the contract address uniquely identifies the token on the blockchain. If you paste the wrong address, you risk adding an entirely different token. Take your time to ensure the address is correct before proceeding. If recognized, the token symbol and decimals will fill in automatically. This is a reassuring sign that MetaMask has successfully identified the token linked to the contract address you provided. It confirms that you are on the right track. If the information does not fill in, double-check the contract address. This small verification can save you from future hassles.
finally, select Next, then Import.
This action confirms your choice and finalizes the addition of the custom token to your wallet. You will see a confirmation pop up indicating your token has been successfully added. This is a satisfying moment as you now have the custom token visible in your MetaMask wallet. Your custom token will now appear in your MetaMask wallet. You can view it alongside your other assets, allowing you to manage your portfolio efficiently. Remember, always get the contract address from the token's official website or a trusted block explorer. Using an incorrect contract address can result in adding the wrong token. With these steps completed, you are now equipped to enhance your MetaMask experience.